Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing from a company I'm really excited about. It's really important to me that companies are good and virtuous. So when the company Modelones reached out to me, I did a little research on them and I was really pleasantly surprised to see how good of a company they are and what good things they do. In November of this year, their nail care tools bag was a charitable donation for the Parkinson's and Movement Disorder Foundation. This charity is near and dear to my heart, specifically because Parkinson's runs in my family. I've lost grandmas to it in the past few years, and I have an uncle and a grandma that is living with it today. If you don't know anything about Parkinson's, it's a disease that pretty much takes away your ability to walk, anything in your legs, you are not able to move, you're pretty much wheelchair bound the rest of your life. And it is a progression of a disease that it will just continue for years and years and years. My grandma has had it for a long time and she's in her 70s and I think is towards the end stages, but there is no cure and it is just a terrible, terrible disease and they need to find a cure for it. So I really appreciate that Modelones is being this awesome charitable company that they are and donating to this amazing cause. So now that you know a little bit about the company, you can also find out a little bit more about the company by going on their website, which I will have linked down below. Of course, all the links will be down below for you guys to check out. But I'm really excited that this company chose me to send this amazing package to. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys. Let's get to the unboxing. So this is the box and I'm just going to open it appropriately with nail scissors. Or cuticle cutting scissors, I think it is. Okay, so I'm taking it out of the box. Ooh. It's all in this nice bubble wrap, so you know that things are being kept safe in yet another layer of bubble wrap. Now I got all of the bubble wrap and everything off. This is the box. This is so cute. It's like this little shoe box. It's really cute packaging with this really beautiful logo that's kind of just this silver, which I dig. And it comes also in this protective little netting. And this is the bag. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. So it's kind of like a deep navy blue, super chic, adorable. Has Modelones right here in gold lettering, a gold zipper, and just cute gold details. I'm going to open up the bag and see what is in here. They told me that there is multiple ways to use this bag. And this, I believe, is the strap that will allow it to do that. So it's so cute. Details, this gold chain, which is so cute. You just hook it on the little hook things. And you just hook it like this. That is so cute! Okay, so this is a long strap, and I'll also show you guys how it looks when you're having it on your shoulder and all the different ways you can use it. So that is a strap, and it's super cute. Just adorable. And I'm going to just kind of pull out the little goodies that are inside. So this looks like emery boards, if I am right, nail files. Ooh, this is really nice. 100% washable and disinfectable. That's kind of cool. I didn't think you could wash nail files, but there you go. Really nice size nail file. I always need those because I go through them like crazy. Here's another one. So this is like a little skinnier version. I think they probably all have different textures, so they're for different parts of the manicure. I definitely do not know everything about nail care, but I do like nail stuff. Then there are a ton of these, I think they're the gel nail polish removal wipes, which is awesome because you just have these like little packages and you just use a package and gets your gel nail polish off. This is really cool. It comes with a lot of them, so I think you'll be good to go. They want to make sure that you have enough gel nail polish removal wipes. That's important. Next is this really cute nail brush, and I think it's to be used to get off all of that like dust and stuff. Like when after you're filing your nails, there's a lot of just like residual nail stuff, so this kind of dusts it off. Correct me if I'm wrong. I am not a nail manicurist, so I really don't know for sure. Really cute textured design, which is just really cute. Really cute. It's really cute. I'm really excited because I think this is like one of those brushes, maybe? Yes! Oh! This is one of their brushes that is specifically meant for detail work. I don't even know if you can see how tiny that brush is. It's just this tiny little, really thin brush that is supposed to be perfect for doing those details, like if you want to do a heart, if you want to do like a chevron, or whatever you want to do on your nails. This is so nice, and let me tell you, so far opening these things, the quality is on point. This is like a nice matte black handle, really cute. Again, has their logo on it. Really adorable. Let's see what else we got in here. The next thing is a little adorable nail clipper. And again, it kind of matches the same texture as this. And it's got just the cutest, it's got the cutest look to it. This is like the chicest nail kit I have ever had. It's so cute. I wouldn't even mind having it out on my bandy because it's that cute. This one looks like a nail polish applicator, so you can really get detailed and precise, that's the right word, on your nail, and it really gets it right there. It's this nice shape that kind of squared off. That is really, really what you're looking for when you're doing your nails, because nails kind of have that kind of square edge, especially by your cuticle. So I'm really excited to use this. I really wanted a brush like this, so I'm really excited. And again, super chic packaging. Love it. This is the tool that you use to push down your cuticles. So that's really cute. It's silver, which is a little different from the rest of it, but I still like it. It seems like heavy duty, not cheaply made at all. So this is really nice. It's double-ended, so I can learn how to give myself a really nice manicure. The next thing in the bag is this, ooh, okay, it's a cuticle trimmer. Also really chic, black. So it's just a cuticle trimmer, and it's also really cute like the rest of the things in the kit. Has this really nice protective cover also, so when you're not using it, it can stay really nice and probably more sanitary. That was all that was in this bag, and I'm really, really excited to use them all. I feel like I will become a professional manicurist after this, and maybe I can give my friends and family manicures because I feel like I am prepared. One awesome thing about this bag is that it's handcrafted by artisans who are picking the best high quality leather, and you can truly feel it in this bag. It smells just like nice leather, and it's so beautiful and chic. And I also love the color. I just so happen to be wearing blue, so it matches absolutely perfect. They definitely put a lot of time and effort into making this bag. It's the perfect gift for that person on your list that is looking for something having to do with nails, nail care, or just loves beauty in general. This is such a beautiful bag, and it also has all of those amazing nail tools in it. I'm so excited. This bag is multi-use. As you'll see, you can unhook the straps and have it just be a handbag or a makeup bag. It's a really good size, so it'll fit a lot of your makeup in there. It expands, it feels like, a little bit on the sides, so you do fit quite a bit of things in there. It is overall a really beautiful bag. If you do want to purchase this bag for a person on your Christmas list, Modelones has been sweet enough to give you guys, my subscribers, a $60 off coupon code, and I will have that code down below for you guys if you want to purchase it. It is such a beautiful bag, and I think for all that you get in it, it's such a great deal. Hope you guys go check it out, and you can learn more about Modelones as well, because of course I'm learning about them. I'm really excited to be able to purchase from them in the future. Make sure you use the discount code before the 31st of December, and you will get that $60 off discount. The coupon code is only valid for the first 100 people that purchase the kit, so make sure you go get it while supplies last. That sounds weird, like I'm an infomercial, but seriously, go. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Modelones, for sending me this amazing package. I'm really excited to use all the tools, and hopefully I can try out the gel nail polishes and do another video for you guys, because I really love gel nail polishes. I'm really down for that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, because that always helps me out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to become part of the Lustrous Beauty community. I would love to have you. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stay lustrous. Bye!